Meaning of ferry.
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 Ferry. Ferry is a noun that refers to a type of boat or ship that is used to transport people, vehicles, or goods across a body of water. It can also be used as a verb to describe the act of transporting something or someone across a body of water in a ferry. Ferries are an important mode of transportation in many parts of the world, particularly in coastal areas and islands. They provide a vital link between communities, allowing people and goods to move easily between places separated by water.